All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about GE Profile versus KitchenAid. They tend to be very comparable in terms of price, and where they sit in their respective families are going to be very comparable in terms of lineup. Maybe some things that you'll see on the GE Profile line that maybe not so much on KitchenAid. It's going to be a little bit more towards smart connectivity. You'll notice that a lot of their appliances today are going to have these touch displays. So this is one of their induction ranges, and you can do everything inside of here. The baking, precision cooking will be kind of your culinary cheat codes, so preset recipes, air fry, and then it'll be almost like interacting with like a smartphone screen. And then they have a few other things, side swinging oven doors. So the advantage of this, maybe some of my vertically challenged customers over here might find this a little easier than reaching over an oven door. There's not a ton of brands offering that, but GE Profile does have a line of ovens now that will offer that. And then in comparison to KitchenAid, and I happen to have them right over here, KitchenAid tends to be a little bit more simplistic. They don't implement as much as the smart connectivity. They do have smart connected appliances, but not nearly as many. But they are going to offer more built-in refrigeration options. So if you're going for this sort of option, you will see 36s, 42s, 48s, French door side-by-sides, a much larger selection there. But if you were to look at, say, the touch panels and stuff that they have on their comparable induction range, you'll notice that there's no Wi-Fi or any options, no touch screens. It's a little bit more basic as far as that's concerned. Now, something that they have that nobody else has on their dishwashers, this has been very popular, is this deeper third rack. So you can do your coffee cups, glasses, those sorts of things actually on this upper tray here. So I have found that a lot of my friends that have this, that have younger children, really like this feature. It's a good spot to put plastic bowls, cups, sippy cups, those sorts of things that remove or rather distance those pieces away from your heated elements so you don't worry about melting anything, and gives you a lot more flexible space on what you can do on the inside of the unit. Another thing with KitchenAid is they're going to offer pro style ranges. So that's something that they don't currently offer in GE Profile. So if you're looking for a 36-inch or a 48-inch range, you can find that inside the KitchenAid lineup, where GE would make you step up to the Cafe line, which is a great line also, but it's just a little bit different than the Profile. So realistically, if you were to break the two down, Profile is going to offer a little bit more smart connectivity. KitchenAid is going to be a little bit more simplistic in terms of how they operate. However, you can't really go wrong with either. So, I would say stop into a Don's Appliances and kind of get a touch and feel and see which one you prefer.